Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The name of this channel is called GH Uni Application Tips. If you've not watched any of my videos, I encourage you to watch because I give out a thorough explanation of some of the things you need to know before applying to the University of Ghana, such as how the University of Ghana calculates its final aggregate of a WAEC results, how cutoff points is set and determined, application errors, and also some other factors that can affect your admission to the University of Ghana. So in this video, we are going to look at the College of Humanities of the University of Ghana, the available programs the college offers, detailed entry requirements for these programs, the campus where you can find these programs, the cutoff points for the last academic year, and the choice of selection and preferences. So what this means is that there are some programs that can only be selected as your first choice, and there are other programs that can be selected as either your first, your second, or your third choice with regards to the aggregate you attained. Bachelor of Science in Administration. You must have credit passes at least grade C6 in all your core subjects and any 3 of your best electives. So what this means is that your core subject, English, core mathematics, integrated science, social studies, you need at least a C6 in all your core subjects and any 3 of your electives. This program is available to all elective backgrounds from general arts, business, home economics, visual arts, and science. So it's a program that does not discriminate because it's available to any 3 elective backgrounds. So this makes it very competitive because it's not limited to some specific type of students. Preference is not given to applicants who have a background in business. When offering this program, you can specialize in any of these fields. That is accounting, banking and finance, public administration, human resource management, health service management, marketing, and insurance. So we continue by looking at the available campus where this program is held. It's being held at the Legon campus and it's a first choice selection only. So what this means is when you are applying for Bachelor of Science in Administration, you should always make sure you select it as a first choice. The cutoff point for last academic year was aggregate 7 for males and 8 for females. However, the cutoff point for fee paying also was aggregate 14 as of last academic year. This program is also available at Accra City Campus in Adabraka. It's also a first or a second choice selection. However, the cutoff point for last academic year was aggregate 24. So it's also available at a distance mode of study, meaning you'll be attending lectures on weekends, that is Saturdays and Sundays, and preferably when you are selecting this program, you can either select it as your first, second, or your third choice. And the cutoff point for this program, distance mode, was aggregate 30 as of last academic year. Bachelor of Laws. This program is available to all elective backgrounds like general arts, business, home economics, visual arts, and science. You must have credit passes at least grade C6 in all your core subjects and any 3 of your elective subjects. So what this means is that your English, your core maths, your integrated science, and your social studies, you need at least a C6 and 3 of your elective subjects, which is also a C6. It's a program that does not discriminate because it's available to any 3 elective backgrounds. So this makes it very competitive and it's not limited to some specific type of students. It's only available on the Legon campus and it's a first choice selection only. So when you're applying for Bachelor of Laws, you should always make sure you select it as your first choice. And the cutoff point for Bachelor of Laws was aggregate 6 as of last academic year, and it's not applicable with fee paying. Bachelor of Arts. This program is available to all elective backgrounds like general arts, business, home economics, visual arts, and science. It's a program that does not discriminate because it's available to any 3 elective backgrounds. So it makes it very competitive because it's not limited to some specific type of students. The program groups its subjects into bouquets, which is a blend of arts, social sciences, and languages such as economics, study of religion, linguistics, geography, sociology, linguistics, history, Chinese linguistics, information studies, philosophy and classics, music, political science, information studies, Russian, psychology, archaeology, philosophy and classics, sociology, history, and English. So when you visit the online application portal and you select the Bachelor of Arts program, you are only allowed to select 4 of these bouquets under the Bachelor of Arts choice. So you should always make sure to do well and select in order of preference, meaning you should always select the bouquet you prefer ahead of other bouquets. Restricted bouquet subjects under the Bachelor of Arts program. So you should always be mindful of selecting bouquet which have subjects like geography, English, French, economics, because a subject like geography requires that you have a background in geography at the SHS level. A subject like economics requires you have a background in elective mathematics. A subject in English requires you have a background in English literature. A subject in French requires that you have a background in French, all at the SHS level. So we move on to the available campus where the Bachelor of Arts programs can be found. On the Legon campus, you have to select it as a first or a second choice only. And the cutoff point for general arts student was 15 for males and 16 for female. However, the cutoff point for science, business, vocational students was aggregate 12 as of last academic year. The cutoff point for fee paying was aggregate 22. It can also be found at the Accra City campus and it's preferably first or second choice selection. The cutoff point was 24 as of last academic year. We also have the distance education mode where you'll be attending lectures on weekends, that is Saturdays and Sundays, and it can be selected as either a first, second, or a third choice. And the cutoff point was aggregate 30 as of last academic year. Bachelor of Arts in Administration. This program is available to all elective backgrounds like general arts, business, home economics, visual arts, and science. However, you must have credit passes at least grade C6 in all your core subjects and 3 of your elective subjects. It is available on the Legon campus and it's a first choice program selection only. And the cutoff point for last academic year was aggregate 12. So prospective applicants should be mindful when selecting the Bachelor of Arts in Administration bouquet. Bachelor of Fine Arts. This program is available to all elective backgrounds like general arts, business, home economics, visual arts, and science backgrounds. You must, however, have credit passes at least grade C6 in all your core subjects and 3 of your elective subjects. Applicants will be required to attend an interview before gaining admission. So the interview can be in the form of an audition, which entails you performing a dance or to act or to sing a song to justify your interest in the program before you attain admission. However, most applicants normally confuse Bachelor of Arts with Bachelor of Fine Arts when selecting program choices, so please take note of these two as they are not the same program. When offering this program, you can specialize in any of these fields: music, dance studies, and theater arts. So this program is available on the Legon campus, and the choice of program selection can be either your first, second, or your third choice. And the cutoff for Bachelor of Fine Arts for the last academic year was aggregate 24. Things to note down when selecting a program. Admissions is done in order of preference. So what this means is that, for instance, if Kojo has an aggregate of 11 and decides to select Bachelor of Arts as his first choice, and Amma has an aggregate of, let's say, aggregate 8 and decides to select Bachelor of Arts as her second choice, what this means is that during the selection process, Kojo will be picked ahead of Amma, even though Amma had a better aggregate than Kojo, because Amma decided to take the Bachelor of Arts as a second choice, whilst Kojo decided to take Bachelor of Arts as his first choice. So preference will be given to Kojo ahead of Amma. Some subjects requires that you have a specific elective background. So as I indicated earlier on, we have subjects that require specific elective background under the Bachelor of Arts. So a subject like economics, you need an elective mathematics to read a program like economics. A program like French, you need a background in French at the SHS level. A program like geography and resource development, you need a background in geography at the SHS level. So prospective applicants should please take note of this when selecting their program choices. If you apply for Bachelor of Arts Legon campus as your first choice, make sure you select city campus and distance for your second and third choices respectively. So please make sure to select programs at the city campus and distance education to enhance your admission due to the highly competitive nature of the Bachelor of Arts programs on the Legon campus. You should also take note of Bachelor of Arts in Education Legon campus, as this program gives major preference to their first choice applicants. So this program is under the College of Education, which I will explain thoroughly in my next video, so please stay tuned. Always let last year's cutoff point serve as a guide when selecting. So for instance, the cutoff point for Bachelor of Science in Administration Legon campus last year was aggregate 7 for males and 8 for females. So assuming I have aggregate 11, what this means is that I don't qualify for Bachelor of Science in Administration, so I don't select it at all. So in order for me to stand a chance of getting admission, I will probably select Bachelor of Arts as my first choice, because with an aggregate of 11, my chances of admission is high. And the cutoff point for Bachelor of Arts for the last academic year was aggregate 15 for male and 16 for females. To gain admission to offer Bachelor of Fine Arts, you must successfully pass your audition. Fee paying also has its cutoff point and requires you having credit passed at least grade C6 in all your core subjects and 3 elective subjects. So what this means is that if you think you have a D7 for instance your integrated science or your core maths, and you think you can apply for fee paying, it is not possible, because you will have to still meet the requirement of at least a grade C6 in all your core subjects and 3 of your elective subjects. So I'd like to thank you viewers for watching my video. If you've not watched my previous videos, please do well to watch them, as you are missing out on certain vital information concerning admission process. I also encourage you to like this video. So let's gain over 100 likes so I make a video on how to apply at the University of Ghana online application portal step by step. So please do well to make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on my other videos concerning application process to other universities. Please also feel free to comment and ask questions, and make sure to share to friends and relatives who are also applying this year, and do well to click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.